What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. We've made it back here to WMI Wight Motorsports Inc. And it is an exciting day. It's a day that was pushed off by a couple of weeks, and it's finally the day. We have the race car back from the powder coater, and it's sexy. It is just beautiful. We had a lot of people comment and say what they thought the chassis color was going to be and what we were going to finally decide on and go with. Did anybody actually say it?
I think somebody did.
You think someone actually said it? I think what?
Sure, Jim Sanders.
Jim Sanders? Someone I think one person maybe commented on across all of our platforms. Something actually got it. So I'll walk over here and I'll flip around and show this off, the color that we actually wound up going with. We went with, we're gonna call it JRD Motorsports Blue, and she is sexy. I don't know if you can really see the metallic flow. Yeah, you can see it right there. The metallic in the powder coat, and man, she is a good-looking chassis, and I'm really excited about it. We figured, you know, it's not very often that we are going to build a new race car, and obviously this is something that we put a lot of big investment into, and something we've always dreamed of getting to. So we figured, you know, we tossed back and forth. We were going to do black, we were going to do race car gray, like all these Pinty series cars around me here. We talked about silver, we talked about white, and then
What about red?
no, we did not talk about red. That was never on the table. No, we've talked a lot about red in the last 4 years, but no. Ultimately, the decision came down to the fact that this is not something that we're going to get to do every day, and we're just going to do it the way that we've always dreamed of doing it. So here, you got your flashlight, Jamie? Is that what you're going to do?
It's the best way to see metallic.
Oh yeah, look at that. That is just slicker than pig crap. I'm excited. So, got a whole bunch of guys here with me tonight. What do you guys say we unbox the body? Our 5-star new Sportsman body came in, and we'll see what color body we're going with, because we flip-flop back and forth all the time. So let's get unboxing some stuff and start getting some stuff bolted on this new chassis. Pre-cut. Jamie's pre-cut it. So I showed a couple videos ago what a race car body looks like. There you go. There's a race car body. No wonder they're so expensive. Look at this packaging. White body. Yep. We're back to white. White base. Oh my. Look at this puzzle. Nose. Bum. Everything else is in there?
That's what we're going to find out.
Just one whole big box contains an entire race car body. That's a pretty sweet box you got there, Jamie.
Yep.
Classic dad jokes. My kid will be here in a couple weeks. I gotta get ready. All right, let's get the steering box put on the car, and then we get the fuel cell set in it. And what is that thing in the back? What is that? That's not a race car.
Old Pontiac.
Actually, once upon a time it was. All right, let's get this steering box put on the car, and then we'll get a bunch of other stuff done and see what we can get done. And then tomorrow, you guys are gonna get the brake lines put on the car for me, aren't you?
That's right.
All right.
Well,
Steering box.
that's why you know it's expensive. You get stickers with it.
Yeah, but they're red, so throw them over.
Okay.
We should figure out a way to wrap the fuel cell. Who was it? Brian Sudbury used to have the fuel cell wrapped like a 2-4.
Like a 2-4?
Yeah, it was wrapped
It's red, so if you wrap it like Budweiser.
yeah, the whole thing was wrapped like a beer case. It was awesome. The staples are really good.
It's pretty thick cardboard.
This will be the first time in my racing career I've had floor-mounted pedals like a real race car. That's pretty bad. Whoa, don't scratch the paint! Holy. Yeah, there's a new rule. Whoever scratches the new chassis first is kicked off the team immediately forever. That's the rule. I know you're all volunteers, but you know, that's me included. I'll have to sell the car.
Anybody want a blue chassis?
Well, after people see this, everyone's gonna want a blue chassis.
That's
spent way too much money on a gas pedal, but these are nice. Just gotta figure out how to put her together, but it can't be rocket science. Okay, real talk. We're gonna have to name this race car. We officially named the old one Clifford, the Big Red Super Stock. We need to name this race car. Obviously it's not done yet, but it's blue. And as you've seen, the body is white. However, there's not gonna be much white on the scheme. But comment below. Let me know if you got any name ideas. You got me off the top of your... Who said we should call it Leafs? Because we want to win, and the Leafs don't, so we can't call it Leafs. I said Sully.
Yeah, all right, that's
Good?
no. Just want to give that one a little. Yeah.
Okay. Measure holes.
Oh, nice. Well,
It's gonna hold fluid? Don't know until you run fluid through it. So you learned how to do this, eh? That's right.
he even blew air through it too to make sure there was no residuals or anything within the hose. Make sure it was clean.
Holy, look at that.
Just thinking.
You didn't even test fit that, did you? I'm impressed. Black fittings. Looks pretty good.
Sharp.
Now, we gotta get this thing on here. So that we don't catch on fire and blow it up.
Do we have the fittings here to...
No, I'll have to get those.
We're gonna have to get those. Okay, so we can't do this today.
Okay, cap back on.
Yeah. I guess we won't do this today.
Oh, that's your flame arrestor.
It's my lifesaver tube. You just getting bolts ready there, Curtis?
Yeah.
Nice. Man, she's pretty. The car, not Curtis. All right, Jamie. There's one more thing I want to show, but we're not putting them in the car right now. But I want to show these new gauges off because they're pretty cool. So new car, new gauges, new everything. So we went with these fancy, they're upside down. Qwick car, all digital gauges. They actually weren't that expensive.
No.
But they're all digital. We're not sure how much of a pain in the butt they are to hook up, but yeah, so
They're
that's
that much of a
that
pain
much
in
of a pain in the butt. I think we should take them off this backing
Yeah.
and we're gonna build our own dash and everything. So I think we'll take them off of this backing and then we'll put our switches and everything. Get it all on there, and yeah, so that's something cool we're putting on. Other than that, I think we're kind of out of parts for tonight. Probably gonna go do her up. We're gonna clean up in here. Yeah, can you get it back in?
Always.
Always. Body, engine.
Oh, look.
What?
Maybe they're expensive.
Oh, and they're red too. Get rid of it. This red fuel cell sticks out like a sore thumb now. That's okay. Anyways, that will do her for another vlog here. I appreciate everybody clicking on today's video. It's been a couple of weeks since we've been in the shop doing stuff. There was a little bit of a delay with the powder coater and special ordering this awesome color, but it looks pretty good. They did do a good job, even though there was a bit of a delay there. So pretty happy with it. Not pretty, I'm really happy with it. It's everything I've always wanted in a race car, and it's not red. So she looks pretty sweet, and over the next couple of months, there's gonna be a lot of work getting done to this thing. We're gonna hopefully get it a roller soon, get all the front suspension, rear suspension, everything in it, and then take it back to the other side of the shop, get the body mounted on it, the tin work all done and everything. Tomorrow it's gonna get the brake lines and everything done on it. So there is a ton of work to do. It's kind of a bit of a new experience. Obviously, we've never built a brand new race car. Last winter, we stripped our race car kind of down. We didn't take everything out of it. We kind of did a bunch of updates, but this is brand new. So there's a lot of learning to do and a lot of fun to be had. So I appreciate everybody watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us. Make sure you follow along. It's going to be a long winter of content. So Appreciate it. And we'll be back here in a couple of days at WMI doing some more work on our unnamed race car. Comment below. Let us know what we should call the new race car.